Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your omnicombo.ai bot into your website. Okay, so you just have to click on connect to website over here, or you can click on over here, then you click on connect to website and click on publish bot, and you will land at the same page. Okay, then you click on install code yourself, and then you see this code over here, you just copy. Okay, so copy all this, and then okay, so you will need to build it on a like let's say system IO or something. Okay, so I'm going to use this link alaric.site/system IO. This allows you to have a free website builder, but you could use the same thing on, let's say, ClickFunnels or Go High Levels, etc. Okay, you can install a chatbot on the same place. Okay, now, so what do you do over here? You click on so over here. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this so that it doesn't confuse you. So over here, you can click on raw HTML, you drag it in, okay? And then over here, click on edit code, and then you paste it here. Okay, then press save, and then press save changes. And then you will see your chatbot that looks over here like that. Okay, so this is where the chatbot appears, and that's how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, that's how you send this to like that's how you install it on your page. You can work on ClickFunnels, Go High Levels, Wix, WordPress, Shopify, almost any website builder, so long as you can copy the raw HTML code. Very important, huh? You must see that I drag this raw HTML code over here, and I just paste the whole thing inside. That's all. That's how you create a chatbot widget onto your page. And so that's how you create a widget, right? Now, the other way to embed the thing is to embed it as an iFrame, okay? And this is how it look like, okay? So you can choose any of the thing, okay? And then click on generate code, and then you copy this, okay? Now, make sure that you delete any existing HTML there are, okay? Because if not, this won't work, okay? You need to delete all this. You need to delete the initial widget that you put for this iFrame to appear, okay? So then you drag the raw HTML over here, click over here, press edit code, and then you delete this and you press paste, okay? And then you press save. Okay, then press save changes. And then you see the whole thing appear, okay, over here, okay? So like people can talk to the bot. Okay. Oh, wait, what happened? Okay. Okay, so people can talk to the bot like that. Okay, now, but you see this if you want to remove this, right? Very simple. Okay, just click on here, edit code, and then you delete this part. Okay, and then you delete this part. Okay, so you just leave it like that. And you press save. You press save. Okay, and so now when you press preview, you have this iframe without the ugly words and all that. Okay, very simple. Okay, so that's how you embed the chatbot. Okay, make sure that you remove the previous widget before you add this. If you put the previous widget, the whole thing will jam. It will not work. Okay, all right. I hope that's of value to you, and that's how you publish your chatbot onto your website.